Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of the Last Night Set Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Triple Takeover. The song is Jamaican Bom Bom. The artist is HUGEL and SOLTO. The choreography is WOODHOUSE. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it. And there you go, Triple Takeover. My name is Linda Sims. I am the WOODHOUSE teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.